Skechers introduces AirTag-enabled kids shoes for ultimate parental peace of mind. Imagine a world where parents can effortlessly keep tabs on their children's whereabouts, all through a tiny device hidden in their shoes. It sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, but it's now a reality, thanks to Skechers and Apple's AirTag technology. And this is the part most people miss. While the idea seems straightforward, it opens up a fascinating and slightly controversial conversation about privacy, safety, and parenting. Skechers has recently unveiled a new line of kids' footwear that includes a cleverly designed compartment for an AirTag. This feature allows parents to track the location of their child's shoes, and by extension, the child wearing them, using Apple's Find My app. The AirTag itself is discreetly tucked away under the shoe's insole, housed in a small, reinforced compartment located in the heel. To ensure comfort, the shoe also features a cushioned, air-cooled GogaMat breathable insole, which can be lifted to access the tracker. This isn't the first time technology has been embedded into footwear. Remember the Nike+iPod Sport Kit? That innovation used a small sensor placed inside specially designed sneakers to help fitness enthusiasts monitor their workouts. However, Skechers' latest creation takes things a step further by focusing on safety, rather than just performance tracking. But here's where it gets controversial. While Skechers markets this feature as a way to locate your kid's shoes, it's hard not to see the broader implications. Parents could technically use this technology to monitor their child's movements throughout the day. On one hand, this could provide peace of mind, especially for families living in busy urban areas or those with young children who might wander off. On the other hand, some may argue that constant tracking raises concerns about over-surveillance and trust between parents and kids. Is it fair to monitor every step they take, even if it's done with good intentions? Apple itself doesn't promote AirTags as tools for tracking people. Instead, they're marketed for finding misplaced items like keys or bags. In fact, Apple has implemented anti-stalking measures to prevent misuse of its tracking devices. These safeguards typically alert users when an unfamiliar AirTag is detected moving with them. But in the case of Skechers kids' shoes, such alerts are unlikely to be triggered since the child wearing the shoes probably won't own an iPhone, or will always be accompanied by the person who owns the AirTag. The Skechers Kids range, featuring the Find My Skechers functionality, includes styles from the popular Go Run collection. Designed for toddlers up to big kids, approximately ages 10 and under. These shoes offer more than just a hidden tech compartment. They boast a durable rubber sole, a breathable mesh and synthetic upper, stretch laces, and an adjustable instep strap for a secure fit. Plus, they're machine washable, though it remains unclear whether the AirTag needs to be removed before tossing them in the wash. Priced between $52 and $58, these innovative shoes cater to budget-conscious parents seeking both style and practicality. However, before sending your child off to school wearing these high-tech kicks, double-check your school's policy on smart devices. Many institutions classify AirTags as smart devices and prohibit them from being brought onto campus due to potential privacy issues. So what do you think? Are AirTag-enabled shoes a brilliant solution for modern parenting? Or do they cross a line into overly intrusive territory? Share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear whether you agree or disagree. Track your kids' shoes with hidden AirTag, Skechers' new Find My Skechers line. Imagine being able to track your child's whereabouts with just a pair of shoes. Sounds like science fiction, right? But here's where it gets real. Skechers has just launched a new line of kids' shoes with a hidden compartment designed specifically for Apple's AirTag. The AirTag, which was first introduced 4 years ago, has been a game-changer for many of us. We've used it to track our luggage while traveling, attached it to our keychains, and even used it to locate our cars, wallets, and other precious items. But now, Skechers has taken the AirTag to a whole new level with their innovative Find My Skechers line. But what exactly is Find My Skechers? It's a new product line that features a built-in, hidden AirTag compartment in a variety of shoe styles. The best part? The AirTag is completely concealed, so your kid won't even know it's there. And don't worry about comfort. The AirTag won't impact the fit or feel of the shoe in any way. As Skechers explains in their new commercial, the idea behind Find My Skechers is to provide parents with an added layer of security and peace of mind. With the AirTag safely tucked away in the shoe, you can track your child's location in real time, giving you a sense of reassurance that's hard to put a price on. And speaking of price, the Find My Skechers line is surprisingly affordable. You can pick up a pair of these innovative shoes for between $52 and $58, depending on the style. And when AirTag 2 eventually arrives, it's expected to be compatible with these shoes as well, so you won't have to worry about upgrading anytime soon. So what do you think of the new AirTag-compatible Find My Skechers line? Are you planning to pick up a pair for your little one? Let us know in the comments below. And while we're on the topic of AirTags, be sure to check out our roundup of the best AirTag deals and accessories. From discounted AirTag packs to innovative accessories like the Time Capsule AirTag 10-year battery case, we've got you covered. Add 9 to 5 Mac to your Google News feed for more exciting tech news and updates. FTC. We use income-earning auto affiliate links. More.